Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another tip of how to make money online. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 different websites that will make you money in 2025. Like by the end of this video, you will be able to know these 5 websites to use to make money online. If you're looking for ways to make passive income online with no investment, then try to watch this video to the end because you're going to grab an opportunity to make money online by the end of this video. There's nothing wrong with looking for ways to make extra income online. I mean, you might be a business person or you are working, but you're looking for an extra stream of income. I mean, there is nothing wrong with it, but you have to also know there is no free money anywhere. Like, you have to put in the work, because this website I'm about to share with you, they are legitimate, and you know that this website, they are also into business. You work for them and they pay you. They don't give free money, so you should have that at the back of your mind. You should also know that it is not a get rich quick scheme, and you also need to carry out your due diligence before you can release certain information when joining this platform. So let's get right into the video. The first one I'll be talking about is Switched On. Now, this platform pays you to work for them. You're working for them and you will get paid. Now, I love this platform because it's very straightforward. You register, you complete surveys, and you win prizes. Apart from getting paid, they also give opportunity for all those participating to win prizes. So you see, this platform is a very good platform to try it out and make money from it. Now, the first thing to do is to register, complete the registration form, then you verify your email. Once your email is verified, you've already joined their community and you start participating with the work available. Now, they give you surveys to answer, and when you complete these surveys, you earn money. In some cases, you earn money. In some cases, you win prizes. There are Once you answer that have 100% guarantee reward, and there are some that you answer, you stand a chance to win a prize. So they are not over promising. You can see that this platform is very straightforward and legit. They are not promising you that you have to earn $100 per survey. No, you answer surveys and you earn from that survey. Then there are certain ones you answer, you stand a chance to win prizes. The prizes you win depends on your country. Like for those in South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria, these are some of the prizes you can win, and some of the ways you can redeem your prizes. So you can redeem your prizes through Glow, Jumia, like we have Jumia in Nigeria now, and other ways listed here that you can withdraw if you're in Nigeria, Kenya, or South Africa. So this website is majorly centered on Africans. So it is a good platform. You can check them out, register, and do little work to earn. The second website is Feature Points. Now, on this Feature Points, you also answer survey and you earn. So they have 3 different ways you can participate after your registration. Apart from the surveys you need to answer, you can also play games. Like they have offers. You select the offer that is very suitable for you, you can comfortably work on without affecting your daily activities. So when you select an offer, you complete the offer and you get paid. And when you look at this, it is very straightforward. Like there are offers given as example here, like downloading a game app. So when you download an app, you earn as little as 0.50. And when you play to a certain level, for example, the example they give here is when you play to level 10, you earn $1.50. As you can see, this is possible. And not just earning, you can also redeem your earnings. You can redeem with PayPal. Like currently, Nigerians cannot access PayPal to receive money, but apart from PayPal, they have Visa, they have Amazon, and different other gift card that you can use to redeem your earnings. So this is legit. You can check them out, but before you sign up, also make your do your due diligence. This third one is Survey Now. Now this survey now is a platform that also pay you to carry out a survey, to complete survey online. Like I said earlier, these platforms, they are into business. They don't just give you free money. Before you earn, you have to work. But anyone coming online to tell you that you can earn free money from any website or app without putting in the work, might not be telling you the truth. So you have to put in the work, just like every other one. This one, you have to sign up, take surveys, and get rewarded, as you can see. So it's very easy to sign up and start answering surveys. Surveys is something you can comfortably do from the comfort of your home. So the first one here is Tribar. So this particular one as well is also a survey, and this one is in Nigeria. When you register and complete your survey, you can earn from as little as 0.13 to $3 per a survey, depending on the type of survey you are carrying out. For this particular one, for every survey you complete, you'll be rewarded. The amount of money you receive depends on the length and the type of the survey you are giving and you are answering. You can earn from as low as 0.13 cent to $3.25. So is you can see that they are not over promising. So it's very achievable, and they have payment options. They're not saying there is no option for PayPal. As you can see, these people are legit, and you can get your reward, your money transfer within from 1 to 5 business days. You can redeem your earning when you get up to their payout limit of $5 for Glue, same $5 for MTN, Airtel, and 9 Mobile. Also have for ShopRite, Spa, and several other ways you can redeem your price. So you can check them out and see if it is suitable for you to do and join them. The last but not the least is Swagbox. So this particular Swagbox is also a survey site where you answer survey and you earn. So it's the fifth one that I'll be talking about today. So you join them, you answer survey, and you earn. You have to check these 5 I've already mentioned and check out the one that is more suitable for you. It does not mean that you have to join all these 5 websites. You can choose any one that is more suitable for you and you try them out. And trust me, when you put in the work, you will be happy you do, because you will get rewarded. But like I usually say, before you join any of them, do your due diligence and ensure that you're not releasing any sensitive information that when you release it, it might harm you. So that'll be all for now on the 5 different websites that can make you money in 2025. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know the one you'll be trying out. See you in my next video.